Warning: excessive weight hazard. Use 2 or more people to move and install oven. Failure to do so can result in back or other injury.
Warning: electrical shock hazard. Disconnect power before servicing. Replace all parts and panels before operating. Failure to do so can result in death or electrical shock.
Cut the mounting template from the cardboard shipping container. Using a measuring tape, find and clearly mark the vertical center line of the opening. Align the center markers on the cardboard template to the center line on the wall, making sure it is level, and that the top of the cardboard template is butted up against the bottom edge of the upper cabinet. Holding the cardboard template in place, mark both holes in the lower corners, and draw a horizontal line across the bottom edge of the cardboard template. These represent the mounting plates, end holes, and bottom edge. Remove the cardboard template and check the markings. The bottom edge line must be 17 1/4 inch from the bottom of the upper cabinet and must be level. The end holes must each be 14 1/8 inch or 35.8 centimeters from the center line. With the support tabs facing forward, align the mounting plate center markers to the center line on the wall, making sure its bottom edge is aligned to the horizontal line drawn in step 3, and that the end holes are properly marked. Make sure the mounting plate is level. Attach the mounting plate to the wall. Place the upper cabinet template against the top of the upper cabinet. Make sure the template center line aligns with the vertical center line on the rear wall. The rear wall arrows must be against the rear wall so that the holes cut into the upper cabinet align with the holes in the top of the microwave oven. If the upper cabinet has a frame around it, trim the template edges so that it fits inside the frame against the upper cabinet. The template has trim lines to use as guides. Mark the drill holes at points D and E on the template. These are for 2 1/4 20 by 3 inch bolts and washers used to secure the microwave oven to the upper cabinet. Place a washer on each 1/4 20 by 3 inch flathead bolt and place inside upper cabinet. Using 2 or more people, lift the microwave oven and hang it on the support tabs at the bottom of the mounting plate. With the front of the oven still tilted, thread the power supply cord through the power supply cord hole in the bottom of the upper cabinet. Rotate the microwave oven up toward the upper cabinet. Push the microwave oven against the mounting plate and hold it in place. Insert and tighten the bolts through the upper cabinet and to the top of the microwave. Installation is now complete.